Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a ghost effect in Premiere Pro. First, drag your desired video clip onto the timeline. Then, duplicate this clip by holding Alt or Option and dragging it to the track directly above. Make sure both clips start at the exact same point to maintain synchronization. This layering is crucial for applying the effect correctly and achieving a seamless transition. Now, select the top video layer in your timeline. Go to the Effect Controls panel and locate the opacity setting. Reduce the opacity of this top clip to about 50%. This will allow the bottom layer to show through, creating a semi-transparent look. Next, try changing the blending mode to Screen or Lighten for different visual styles. To enhance the ghost effect, apply the Transform effect to your top clip. In the Effect Controls, use keyframes to animate the position or scale of this layer slightly over time. This subtle movement will make the ghost appear to drift or shimmer. Consider adding a Gaussian blur effect with a small radius, perhaps 3 to 5 pixels, to give it a softer, more ethereal look. Once you're happy with the ghost effect, review your entire sequence to ensure everything looks perfect. Make any last-minute adjustments to keyframes or opacity as needed. Finally, export your finished video in your preferred format, ready to share. For more creative tips and tricks, check out the other videos on our channel. Also, if you love reading, be sure to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.